Hello guys, I am Zachariah the Ghostwriter. I decided to upload this video. It was just one of those videos which were on my phone, and I feel like I can just edit these videos and put them online so that I can create more videos. I can focus on traveling to different DLTCs because I will start traveling to these different DLTCs and give you more content and tell you how they do what they do, what to expect if you already booked with that DLTC, or if you already booked at that DLTC. So even after you get a driver's license, guys, don't be surprised when you see roads under construction. It is what it is. They have to maintain these roads, because if they don't, we are going to be involved in a lot of car accidents, and we don't want that. We don't want that. We want to drive on the smooth road, because when you're driving outside Joburg, there is a lot of potholes. At least, they're doing what they do best to make sure that, they are fixing our roads. Men are working hard. So I will upload more content, guys. I'll start traveling.